Hey there, I'm Mayur, Bachelor of Cybersecurity student at James Cook University, Singapore. Strap in for one typical turbocharged day. Why this program at JCU? It provides me a globally recognized fast-track degree that lets me graduate in just 2 years and step right into one of Asia's hottest tech hubs. Before class, it's time for gym. We all need sharp minds and sharp reflex.
Okay, so let's have a closer look at the behavior of this malware.
Our lab lets us practice hacking in a safe environment. Learning how to attack is important for learning how to defend. I've already leveled up in programming, network forensics, and even data visualization.
Oh, Mayur, working on your firewall again?
They keep us secure. Breaks are where global flavors meet and friendships begin. My dream is to merge my love for cybersecurity with my passion of motorsport and to become a motorsport cybersecurity engineer. I want to secure race car telemetry so no hacker ever reaches the pitfall. Career services open doors, helping us land internships and get experiences that matter. Advice? Stay curious, stay consistent, and grab every opportunity. Class for the day is over. It's basketball time. In one word, my experience in JCU is splendid. See you all on campus soon.